Welcome to the personal property tour for 28 Gilmour Avenue in Leven. This is a fabulous 4-bedroom semi-detached property, finished to an immaculate standard inside. Really is move-in condition. It's a beautiful family home. You've got abundance of off-street parking. You've got bonuses in the garden, which you'll see in a second, and I'm really looking forward to taking you on the tour for this. So this is the property here. So as you can see, it's a lovely semi-detached property. You've got an abundance of parking. Beautiful monoblock driveway. Finished to a really nice standard on the outside. The front garden, low maintenance, looks fabulous. And you can see just by the approach and the curb appeal that this is going to be a beautiful home inside. So as it says, welcome, let's go and have a look. So we come in straight into the vestibule. So as you'll see, lovely and bright immediately you come in. So this is great if you've been walking from the glen or the beach, you get your coats etc hung up. A little cupboard here as well, lovely seating area there, and your boiler's in here too. And we'll go straight into the main hallway. So immediately you can see how bright it is and the standard of the finish. It's so lovely. It's a beautiful, airy, bright home. So we've got this gorgeous window here letting in lots of natural light, and that just keeps flowing through the hallway. As we go up the stairs, you'll see you've got a lovely big corner window there too. So again, lots of natural light coming in. And then we get to the upper landing. Lots of space up here. So it's really nice and airy. Got an attic hatch up there, so plenty of room for your storage. And talking of storage, we also have a big cupboard here. So great for your linen closet. So we have 3 bedrooms up here. So we have a lovely big double bedroom in here. This is so spacious. Lots of storage. Lovely and bright. You can see that. You've got 4 sliding wardrobes there. So really lots of space. And that's a big bed. Lots of room in here. Lovely and bright. I'll just show you it from this angle. Such a nice room. Plenty of storage. Lovely big window, so lots of natural light coming in. We'll go back out into the hallway. Then off of the hallway, just around this corner, we have another double bedroom. So again, you can see, lovely. So lots of space. This is a big wardrobe that they have in here. This gives lots of room. Lovely big double bed as well. So lots of space in here. You have an alcove over here too for shelving and storage. Window overlooks the rear garden. So again, lots of light coming in. Lovely and bright. We'll go back out into the hallway. And then we have bedroom number 3. And again, it's a double bedroom, so you have some shelving for storage here. You've got your double built-ins there as well. And as you can see, you have your double bed there as well. In fact, that looks king-size bed. So lots of area, space. It's a lovely size. And lots of natural light coming in as well, overlooking the back garden. So all of the bedrooms having great storage. Nice sized rooms. And you can see just as I'm standing here how big the hallway is. And then further off the hallway we have the family bathroom. So again, a lovely bright room. I love those tiles. So you have your bath, your sink, your WC. Really lovely the tiling. And you've got your electric shower above as well. So it's a great room. Lovely and bright. Then we'll head downstairs. So you can see the sun coming through, how lovely and bright the house is. We come downstairs and we go into what is actually currently utilised as the dining room. So this is off of the hallway, so straight ahead. So this is currently used as a dining room, but it was a bedroom. So if you wanted to, you could easily put this back to your 4th bedroom. It's a great space. Lovely big room. So this is a 6-seater table. You've also got a desk and working area over here. Got the double doors take you out into the garden. So if it was a master bedroom, it would be great. So lots of space in here. Then off of here, you can go back out and we go then straight into the kitchen. Kitchen also is accessible from the lounge. So when we come into the kitchen, I want to take you to the lounge from the kitchen because it's so beautiful. That lovely big bay window, isn't that nice? So it's such a lovely room. So you can come to it from the hallway or from the kitchen. You've got the great bay window. This is really big seating area here as well. So as you can see, you've got lots of space in here. Give you a look at it from this angle, so you've got your nice big bay window. Lots of seating, and they're big, so you can see how much space you have in here. It's just fantastic. Lovely big bay window. So we'll go back out and then go into the kitchen. So you can see from here, the kitchen's a lovely size. You could easily get a dining table here if you do wish to turn that room back into a bedroom. There's some good reasons why you might want to do that. So nice sized kitchen. You've got your integrated appliances, you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor above. Plenty of room for your white goods. You've also got this breakfasting bar here. Currently the client's using this area as a utility area. So if I were to flip around, you'll see what they're doing here. So lots of storage around here. You've got your big American fridge freezer, utility under here. But as I say, if you wanted to take those out, you could easily put your bar there or your dining furniture over. And again, just to give you a view of the kitchen. Now the reason that you may contemplate changing the dining room into a bedroom is the potential for one level living in the property. So straight ahead here as well, at the back of the utility area, there's a real bonus in this property with another shower room. So you have shower enclosure with your electric shower, you've got your hand basin and your WC. Lovely bonus additional space. Right, so I'm going to take you out into the garden. And straight away, it's like, wow, what a great seating area. This is a lovely seating area. Garden totally designed to capture all the sun. And as you can see, it's a beautiful social space. So if I come down here, you can see here, they're maximising all of their entertaining options down here. Room for your barbecue. They've got a summer house as well, which gives you lots of space. You've got this additional decked bonus and seating area, which is just wonderful. Garden really is gorgeous. And I'll just flip that round so you can see the property from the rear. Isn't that a great space? It's a lovely garden. Really maximised everything about it, and the sun is shining down, it's glorious. The bonus with this property, so from the drive you may think this is a garage, so you've got lots of additional space. You've got a shed area when you go straight into here, which is great for your storage. But the bonus with this one is when you come through here, you have this great home office space and man/lady cave. Isn't it fabulous? So you've got full power, electric, and also internet in here. It's just a great space. Such a bonus. Lovely big room. So definitely a fabulous addition to the home. I think something that everyone is needing just now. So come back out through this way and back out into the garden. As you can see, it's just beautiful. The sun is shining. All you can hear is the birds. Isn't that lovely? So just to recap, this is the personal property tour for 20 Gilmour Avenue in Leven. It's a 4-bedroom, semi-detached property, an abundance of off-street parking, move-in condition. It really is finished to an immaculate standard. You've got a fantastic garden area, and you've got that bonus as well of having that outside space. Such a great utilisation of it. It's in a great location. So literally just around the corner, you're on the main drive down to Leven. So literally in the car, you're maybe 2 minutes to the Sainsbury's roundabout. You've got your B&Q, your home bargains, everything that you could need there. You're also close to the primary schools. So you've got Mount Fleury Primary School, you've got St Agatha's, and you also have Park Hill just down the road as well. You're going to have the Leven train link coming next year. So fabulous for getting you through to Kirkcaldy, taking you to Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. So it really is in a great location. You've got lots of local amenities. You can walk to the beach from here in literally 7 or 8 minutes. It is just on a great sized plot in regards to where it is located. So lots of good fun and lifestyle to be had here. This one is on the market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £180,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me directly, or you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care, bye bye.